guys, so sorry I got distracted. I just remembered that I have to choose a winner for the $25 gift card to a website that sells succulent or cactus. It could be of your choice, and it is international as long as I'm able to purchase a gift card on that website. So as soon as I get a winner, you just have to contact me through your YouTube account. It has to match the same ID that it is chosen through here, guys. So I already put the URL in here. It says that there's 68 comments because I think that this doesn't pick like repeat comments. I don't think it does that. So let's see. Yeah, I'll know right now. Let me see, because it tells me how many comments. Do I know how many comments? No, I don't know how many comments. But anyways, I think it does that. So let me just go ahead and start, and let's see who the winner is. Good luck, guys. And the winner is Sarah Dalton. So Sarah, please contact me. You are the winner for the $25 giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support and watching my channel. I'll be doing another giveaway very soon. Just wanted to say thank you, guys, and you guys have a blessed day. Congratulations, Sarah. Bye.